Fed up of your computer running slowly, I'm going to give you 2 tips how to increase the performance of your Windows 10 device, and this works in Windows 11. Go to your magnifying glass, bottom left hand corner, do a search for Power Plan, click on Edit Power Plan. From here choose Power Options, then choose High Performance, but this may take up more energy. That's first tip done. Second tip, go back to your magnifying glass, go and do a search for Startup Apps, and what we're going to do is disable our Startup Apps. When Windows loads, it will bring up this screen. Do a search for Startup Impact here. That will bring up all the apps which load when Windows loads, and turn off the ones you don't need, especially the high impact ones. Job done. 2 tips on how to increase the performance of your Windows 10 device.